Hi everyone, it's Mal from Sparkly Belly. Brooches that come with pins or clips are super useful for quick dance costuming. A few of these can really glam up your costume instantly, and the best part is they're so versatile and you can place them or remove them as you wish. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily turn an applique into a brooch. Let's get started. To make a brooch, you need an applique of your choice. And I'll show you where you can learn to make an applique like this a little bit later in this video. Matching color felt. It should be about the same size as the applique. Pins. I'm using a couple of safety pins and a hair clip here, but of course you can use brooch pins like these. I'll use safety pins since you probably have some at home already. And fabric glue. First, place the applique on top of the felt and trace the outline. Then cut it out. Next, decide how many pins you need and where to place them. If your applique is small and light, one pin in the middle may be enough, but mine is a bit large, about 4 inches by 4 inches, and to secure it over my belly dance costumes, I decided to place 2 pins at size and a hair clip in the middle like this. On the felt, mark where the ends of the pins should come out. For the pins, mark here and here just inside the closure and the loop. And for the hair clip, mark at the hinge. Then at the marks, make tiny snips. Open the pin and squeeze through the holes and make sure the pins are not poking out of the outline of the applique. Repeat for all the pins and slide in the bottom part of the hair clip. If anything feels loose, stitch it to the felt from the back side. Again, if you're using it on a dance costume, it's better to secure everything. Next, apply fabric glue along the edge and some in the middle and place it on the wrong side of your applique. Leave it to dry for 24 hours and your applique brooch is finished. Using the clip, it's super easy to place it on a costume and use the safety pins for extra security. One or a few of these will glam up your costume instantly. And if you're curious how to make these beaded appliques, check out my DIY applique kit shop at sparklybelly.com/shop. These are actually new colors just added to the shop this week. Grab your favorite design and make brooches for your upcoming show. Use the coupon code AUTUMN2019 before September 29th to get free shipping. And next week, you'll see how to make this sparkly mini skirt over skirt that will spice up skirts that you already have. If you're curious, subscribe to my channel or my newsletter at sparklybelly.com. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!